Hello viewers, in this tutorial we are going to install and then connect multiple RGB fans having molex connector inside this PC case. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. Without further ado, let's do this. In this particular PC case, there is a space for two fans in the front and one in the rear, so we will carefully remove the front panel. For the moment, we are not going to connect any cables, we are just going to install the rear fan. Now we are going to remove the back panel so we can later do the cable management. Here we will carefully remove the grills so we can easily fit the RGB fans for the front. Make sure you have all the screws. Once all the fans are connected in their place, let's daisy chain. There should be an extra reserve molex cable coming from your power supply. Connect this female molex connector into the male pins of the fan's molex connector. Make sure both molex from two fans are connected to each other. Fix the grills and assemble the front panel in place. Now to connect the rear fan, we will pass the cable from back of the motherboard in order to give clean cable-free look from the front. You can now connect this fan cable female side to the male side of the other two fans molex connector. This way you have successfully achieved the daisy chain. You have successfully connected multiple RGB fans using a single PSU molex connector. You can see there is no fan cable visible from the front, as this PC casing supports cable management. Practically speaking, you can daisy chain unlimited numbers of these fans together, but that's totally dependent on what type of rig you have. Let's assemble the PC and now see how it looks. The double ring on these super cheap RGB LED fans adds extra flair to your rig. The only major con in these fans is they don't sync together. And the speed is constantly 1000 RPM. There is also no remote control to change different color themes. And it is set to auto. The theme effects will change every 30 seconds or so, from multicolors to static to gradient. The fans are super quiet. The only sound I can hear from my PC is CPU cooler fan. The fans also has anti-vibration rubber pads. There are 11 blades on this 120mm fan. So if you are using multiple of these, it will make quite a difference in cooling performance of your PC. Hey guys, I want to let you know that I have made some changes to my setup. Let me show you. I uploaded my PC build video a while ago, so if you are interested to see it, you can check that out. The link's in the description. So, what things will make this gaming setup better? And what upgrades can be done? Let me know in the comments. I'm also leaving you guys to guess this keyboard. Here is some clue. I'm a retro fan. I would like you guys to rate this setup from 1 to 10. I hope this video has been very interesting for you guys. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you later.